To know how I created this simple brown smoky eye that goes with every Indian outfit, keep watching. I'm not priming my lids today. I'm straight in going with this K-Beauty contour stick. You can use a brown kajal or a brown creamy lipstick to act as a base for your smoky eye. Taking a flat brush to smudge that. Adding a little bit more because I want it to be more intense. Now using the clean side of that flat brush, I'm picking this dark brown color from the Swiss Beauty palette, placing it right above that creamy base we just created. Now I'm taking a fluffy brush and using this shade as my transition color. Follow this up with mascara. My lower lashes, I'm going to use black kajal. You can also use brown kajal if you feel like. Draw a thick line. And I'm going to smudge it using a pencil brush. I'm going to pick some of that brown color again and place it right under my kajal. Also applying it on my upper waterline. Adding some inner corner highlights. This is how it looks like at the end. It really makes brown eyes pop.